Hey, fifth graders, back for lesson 10. You're going to need page 13 out of your packet. We are, again, dividing numbers. So it's telling you to estimate. Ms. King may ask you to estimate. I'm not going to ask you to do that right now. So the ones, and it wants you to circle all the problems that have quotients greater than 30. We're not really doing that part right now. I just really want y'all to focus on getting the division part correct. But if Ms. King asks you to do it, you may need to go ahead and do that. But I'll give you the problems at the end of what I want y'all to work on, and that will, the ones that had the quotients between there, those will not be included, okay? So the ones I give you, you need to go ahead and work out. So let's go ahead. I'm going to do numbers 1 and number 3 for now. Number 1 and 3. I went ahead and got some of it wrote out because it seemed like the last one took a little while because I was having to do all the work. So writing it all out. So maybe this will help make it go by a little quicker. So number 1, we have 540 divided by 12. All right, so let's look. Can 12 go into 5? No, it cannot. So can 12 go into 54? It can, because 54 is bigger than 12. I am going to write right here our steps. We want to divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Let me just write those as a reminder. All right, so what is 54 divided by 12? If I do not know that, I can do my groups, I can do my arrays. Miss Maisel likes to write out her multiplication facts. That helps me out. So I'm looking for a number that I can multiply by 12 that gets me close to 54 without going over. All right, well, 12 times 5 took me to 60. That was over the 54. So I'm going right back to the one before that. Right here at 12 times 4 equals 48. So let me divide 54 divided by 12. I'm going to write a 4 right there because the 4 times 12 is going to get me closest to 54 without going over, okay? So now I'll multiply. 4 times 12 is 48. That's the cool thing about writing those facts out. I already have my answers right there. Now I need to subtract. Can I say 4 minus 8? No, I cannot, because that bottom number is bigger, so I'm going to borrow. The 5 becomes a 4, the 4 becomes a 14. Now I can subtract 14 minus 8, and I get 6. Now I bring down the 0, okay? Now I'm looking for, go back to this top, start back over with my process. All right, so 60 divided by 12. So what can I multiply by 12? To get me as close as I can get to 60 without going over, and it can be 60. Well, look right here, when I multiplied 12 times 5, it gave me 60. So 60 divided by 12 is 5. 5 times 12 is 60. That's my multiplying. I subtract. 60 minus 60 is 0. So my answer is 45. And you know that you can check that by multiplying 45 times 12 to make sure that you get that answer. Okay? Now let's look at number 3. We have 429 divided by 11. Can 11 go into 4? No, it cannot, because 4 is smaller than 11. Can it go into 42? Yes, it can. So I'm going to be sure that I write my first number right above that last number I'm dividing into. That 42, so my number's going to go right above that 2. So, again, Miss Maisel wrote her facts out. Now, if you have another way, if you like to do your area models or you like to do your arrays, not your area models, but your groupings or your arrays, you're more than welcome to do that. Or if you know your facts without writing them down, that's great, okay? So let's look at 42 divided by 11. So I need to look at my facts and see what can I multiply by 11 to get me as close to 42 without going over. I have 11, 22, 33, 44. Whoops, I just went over, so I'm going to go right back up to the one above it. So what did I multiply 11 by? I multiplied it by 3. So 42 divided by 11 is 3. I'll have some remainder, but let's see what that is. 3 times 11 is 33. Now I subtract. 2 minus 3. Can't do it, so let me go over here and borrow from my 4. That becomes a 3. My 2 becomes a 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. Now I'm going to bring down. I'll bring down my 9. Now I have 99 divided by 11. What can I multiply by 11 to get me the closest to 99 without going over? So let's see. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. Look, that's exactly what I need right there. So 99 divided by 11 is 9. So I divided that. 9 times 11 is 99. I subtract. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. I don't have any remainder left over, and I don't have a number to bring down, so my answer is 39. So here's the problems I want you to do. 1, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, and 12. And we've already done 1, and we've already done 3. Okay? So all that you have left to do is 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 12. 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 12. All right? If you have any questions, just have your parents email me or send me a message through JoJo, and I'll try to get a hold of you, or maybe I can do a couple more problems on here to help out. Also, be sure that your parents email me this assignment through email or through Dojo so that I can give it to Miss King, so you can be sure that you're getting credit for all your hard work. All right? You guys are doing a great job. I do miss seeing you, but at least we get to talk this way, okay? All right, well, I'll see y'all for the next lesson. Y'all have a great day. Bye.